doesn't matter what I look like. It's about the videos. These people are just going to have to accept me the way I am. I'm not changing. Promotional videos are about telling your story in a way that's more interesting and more engaging than just somebody reading about you on your website. The problem is the human brain can process information faster than we can talk and listen. And so the trick is to have something going on the screen that holds the viewer's attention while telling your story. Stop it. Have you been curious about this clock? You don't necessarily know what it's about, but it probably held your attention, made you curious. It took that "look, a squirrel" part of your brain and gave it something to think about while the rest of your brain was paying attention to the story. What's it been counting down to? It's been counting down to demonstration time. Let me show you some samples of some of the work that I've done and that maybe I can help you out with. Let's take a look at my samples briefcase here. Let's start with some green screen editing. That's some pretty straightforward stuff. Before, after, before, after. That's pretty cool. Then there's a whiteboard animation that's real popular nowadays, where you see the hand running around the screen doing some things that are good. One more time and I'm getting a Mac. Broke my... Well, that's not going to work. Well, since you broke it, you fix it. Let's go high tech. Okay, here's an example of some animation, very popular nowadays. Here's some kinetic topography, which is just a fancy way of saying the words pop on the screen while you're saying them. Another interesting way to hold the viewer's attention. And of course, some traditional video work. Here's an example using some stock footage, but I can also send a videographer to your place of work to shoot some video of you, your employees, maybe some customer testimonials, whatever it takes to tell your story. Thank you. It really comes down to this. What's your story? What are you trying to say? I don't have a cookie-cutter, one-size-fits-all approach. I'm going to get to know you, your brand, the message, and the people you're trying to reach, and craft just the right way to tell your story. With a degree in mechanical engineering, a bunch of years in the IT field, and over 17 years as a professional speaker in the field of emotional intelligence, motivation, and sales, I know how to tell a story. My question for you is, what's your story? What are you trying to say?